What are you wearing? I am wearing socks. Children, what are you wearing? Socks. Ready? Each Monday at dawn, Mrs. Nellie McNosh brings out a barrel and does a big wash. What is this? Pink dress. Yellow shorts. Green cap. Red shorts. Pink skirt. Yeah, dress, yes. You can put it in the washing machine. Green shorts. Good. Good. Washing machine. Washing machine. It takes her all morning, and when the sun's high, she hangs what she's washed on the clothesline to dry. Good. Dress. Dress. She hangs up the dresses. She hangs up the shirts. Shirt. Underwear. Underwear. Nightgowns and skirts. 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 Yeah, dress. Dress. She hangs up the stockings. Stockings and socks. Sock. Shoes. Red pants. Green pants. T-shirt. T-shirt. Dress. Jeans. Skirt. Skirt. Pajamas. Pajamas. Shorts. Pants. He's whispering. Cap. Hat. 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 Socks. Socks. Cap. Wearing. What are you wearing? What are you wearing today? I'm wearing socks. Socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing pants. 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 Dress. I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing a dress. 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 Jeans. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans. Skirt. Here, skirt. Where's the cap? I'm wearing a cap. Cap. What are you wearing today? Wow. What is inside? I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing socks. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing shoes. I'm wearing pants. I'm wearing pants. And she gets the wrong number and hangs up the phone. She hangs up the hat, an old wedding gown, and 2 sleepy bats, which hangs upside down. Laundry. Laundry. Do the laundry. Socks. Children, what are you wearing? I am wearing socks. Children, what are you wearing? I am wearing socks. Children, what are you wearing? I am wearing socks. Children, what are you wearing? I am wearing socks. Children, what are you wearing? I am wearing pants.